My dear friends in Jesus Christ, good morning to one and all. Today, once again, Jesus reminds us about the value and worth of human beings, about laws and traditions. Today, we see Jesus confronting the scribes and Pharisees who questioned him about the traditions. In his answer to them, Jesus brought to light their hypocritical and selfish motives in their concern for the external practices of the laws and traditions. In their concern for the external practices, they even neglected human beings, their needs, and the true meaning of God's commandments. Thus, we see Jesus criticizing them for not worshipping God in their hearts, but only by their lips. When we look into the Gospels, we see that the primary concern of Jesus was the welfare of human beings, both physical and spiritual. Thus, we see him going to the house of sinners and tax collectors, healing on Sabbath, and defending his disciples who, according to the scribes and Pharisees, did not observe the laws and traditions. In questioning and correcting the practices of his time, Jesus was affirming that human beings are not made for laws, regulations and traditions, but laws, traditions and regulations are made for human beings. Today, when we consider our lives, we see that we are people who observe many laws, traditions and customs. Today, Jesus invites us to reflect upon the true meaning and spirit of these practices in our life. Do we blindly follow them, or do they have some meaning in our life? If these practices and traditions make us fight, hate and create disunity among ourselves, Jesus reminds us that these customs and practices are not of divine origin, but of man-made for their own glory and fame, and we who observe them in the name of God are hypocrites who worship God not in our hearts but only by our lips. If these traditions, customs and regulations do not help us to love, to forgive, to be compassionate and above all to do good to our fellow human beings, today let us ask the Lord to grant us the grace and courage to break these laws and traditions and to redefine them to suit to the time and need of the context where we live. Let's not live for the traditions of the past, but let's live for God and our fellow human beings here and now. May God bless us with His grace and courage. Thank you.